Well, good morning, John Neal here. It's Monday the 30th of October 2023 and today I'm going for a walk. Look at it, it's great. So you might think, what's the deal, John? Well, a few things. One, I'm retired. Two, it's Monday morning, so everybody's gone to work and it's really quite quiet. And secondly, thirdly, the sun's out. It's not like this usually, and I think there's a bank of cloud coming. So I'm out. What's the time now? 9:30 in the morning. Mind you, we've gone on to Greenwich Mean Time. Clocks went back, so we're all in a bit of a tiz about what time it is anyway. But yeah, just a great walk. I've not walked this path, I know it's here. And I won't tell you where it is. It's near where I live. I don't want to, have people flooding here, but it looks very nice. This patch of ground, which I've not really walked across before, is from the Wellington Road over towards Woodford Lane, just north of Nuneaton. And yeah, it's close to the River Anchor. So I came this way doing one of the videos about the River Anchor, and I knew this path was here, and I've never investigated it before. But it's really rather nice. We've had a lot of rain recently and some serious floods up and down the country. There's another storm coming later this week, so which is why I'm taking this opportunity to get out. Look at these trees here, very nice. Oh gosh, this is a really nice oak tree. The size of the trunk on it, wow. I thought we need to start a rumour that Dick Turpin hid up inside of that before going on to the A5 and robbing the rich and giving to the poor. No, he kept it for himself actually. Well, I have to say the path is quite well marked with these gates and what have you. Oh, we've got a stream here and a proper bridge, look. Ooh. More of a drainage channel than anything else, but that must go down to the River Anchor. Across the field, not too muddy. Let's go for it. If anybody's going to say, my goodness John, those are fairly stout shoes you've got there, they're my Doc Martens. I've broken them in now, they're very comfortable. Put some thicker socks on today and served me well so far. They're quite waterproof, as long as you don't go too deep. And yeah, just the job for this morning. Well, I'm looking across there towards the top of Tuttle Hill, where the mast is and the windmill used to be. And yeah, you can see the train line, the canal and the river. Popular route, eh? This is a great shot of the West Coast Railway and heading off towards and going past the sewage works, the waterworks at Hartshill, which is now connected to Hinckley with this great pipeline going right across the fields. Might make another video just of that actually. I found that quite interesting really. With the drone up, I could see that the sewage line that they're taking from the water treatment works over here at Hartshill, going over then towards Hinckley. I can't get any directions here, but yeah, that's the one. And yeah, when they're finished, it'll all be cleared over. So quite a major piece of work really. It's an interesting piece of ground here. You can see the river anchor, quite large at this point. I did fly over here, but when I did the videos about the river anchor, and if you've not seen them, check the cards at the end. I won't pop them in here on this screen. You keep watching, come on. So yeah, I think that'll do me for now. I better make my way back. Yeah, the clouds come over now, the sun's gone in. It's not bad though. Gosh, you can hear those trains. Well, I've enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the little walk in the country. Yeah, okay, that's it for now. You'll see me next time. Okay, bye bye. Oh, there's the marker for the video I did about the river anchor. There's 6 of them. Binge watch, why not?